Look at this thing. They call it a camcorder.
We're gonna go get sandwiches. We're gonna go to the Pilsner experience. We're gonna go watch people riding bikes on the water. I'm assuming we're gonna get drunk. This is right.
Alrighty. How beautiful it is. So we're gonna go get deli sandwiches. This is the place we want to try. Maybe they have sandwiches. They definitely have beer.
And wine. And cheese. And meat.
Alright, let's go try it. That was quick. They make sandwiches, but only Monday through Friday. Yeah. So we got our favorite coffee at one of our favorite cafes. What did you get?
I got a latte with oat milk. I'm still a little chilly yet.
Okay, let's go to the farmer's market.
The tram will come in 4 minutes, or we can walk.
Let's walk. So this is where we live. And this is the farmer's market that we're going to.
Don't tell them we live at the accent.
Oh, yeah. We don't live at there. I mean, sometimes we do. Kaboom. This is our farmer's market. Drop it like it's hot.
It's like Matt Miller.
Oh, see you soon. Wow, that's a lot of people. Go ahead. We're on our way to the Pilsner experience. So we're gonna drink some beers. I'll take you with me.
We're at the Pilsner. What am I supposed to say?
I don't know.
It's an experience. Cheers.
Cheers. How was it?
It was amazing.
Okay, this is where they bury me. Okay, so we're here for lunch. Got the schnitzel. Oh, it's not auto-focusing.
You want it?
Oh, do that again? Hit me again with that. That's cinematography right there. Holy shit.
That's disgusting. You can't put that in there.
Nice.
Okay, I don't know who gave the last update, but we're back home, as you can see.
I feel like I'd throw up if I went on that.
Also, look at that. They're doing stunts. That's Resurrect.
I feel like I could if I had to.
Just finished at Cool Fest 2023. We're gonna go home and nap.
It's 3:20.
See you later.
But it's a beautiful Saturday.
We are done our nap. Now we're gonna go get more beers. Let's get it. Also, this event is sponsored by strip clubs. Just finished at Vltava, and we're gonna go to my favorite place in the world. Okay, let's enjoy these beers. The quality is amazing.
HD. Let the people know we're gonna go have dinner. We're going to Three Pigs, our favorite. We're gonna get beef tartare. What else do you think we're gonna get?
Probably a couple pints.
Couple pints. At this point, I can find my way there blind.
Because it's literally right there, you dipshit.
I'm at my roadside.
It looks terrible on camera.
Baby tower.
What are you doing around this corner? Have you had much to drink tonight? Ma'am? We're gonna put your... Beautiful building. See the Blair Witch Project?
Okay.
Can someone tell us what kind of bird this is? This is a beautiful bird. Look at the zoom on this camera. This is actually insane. Where'd you go? Okay, we're back at one of our favorite parks. It's Sunday morning. We're slightly hungover. And we're gonna go plan a picnic today. Right? Alright, let's go. So this is our area. This is Prague 5. That's our church. Beautiful looking church. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ma'am. Where are you going with that backpack? We'll try this skit again.
Double it and give it to the next person.
Last resort, suffocation.
This is the second erotic city beside our house. Hey, we made it to Stromovka, one of our favorite parks. It's massive. We have a backpack full of food.
We'll do a food haul.
Okay, we've made it. We're trying to find a spot to sit.
Duck couple right there. Great spot.
Which couple?
Near the duck head.
Near the duck head. Oh, yeah. All right, we've set up camp. This is my sandwich. It's Jen's. We got some light reading.
Got some chips.
And just an amazing view.
Even though he was threatened with death and tortured on the rack. So on the king's orders, he was thrown off Charles Bridge, which was not named Charles Bridge yet, of course, into